Hey, what's going on guys, this is iPad Export and this is my how to remove a glass protector from any of your iPhone, iPad or iPod touch full guided video tutorial. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. Guys, remove a glass protector, it completely easy, just need some guide or step-by-step tutorial. So this is the step-by-step tutorial where you can get how to remove glass protector completely. Listen. So guys, for that you first of all need a NT card and a credit card or your school card, and that's all. So first of all, I am remove my phone cover, and this is my phone. The back side will looks good, and notice that first of all you need to turn off your phone before you can do anything, because it is harmful for you if you don't turn off. So after you turn off, make sure where your phone will broke, your glass protector broke. So in my case on the down top, and yeah, that's pretty much it, and also on the left side down. So I am thinking about that, start from the top left side. So just gently just push the indicator pin on your glass protector. You pretty much do that easily, and make sure you have enough time. And guys, don't be patient, just you need your time, and don't be hurry up because it is too much risk if you hurry up. So just don't be patient and do it, be carefully. So I'm just pull it left to right side with gently, and I'm don't use any type of force. Oh guys, as you can guys see on the middle, it will be already a crack. So I have now used my card. So just I am just now doing top left to down left side, and as you can guys see the bubble, you guys clearly see in this video. So just do it, and now when you just push the indicator on the glass protector, a hole will make. On the hole, just put the card and just put it, be carefully and slowly, don't be hurry up guys. I am against you, just push it to left to right. Yep, and my card will basically completely, or it fit on my phone. This is my phone size card. Okay, now I'm just press it to top to down. Just do it, be carefully. And as you can guys see, the glass protector is already been pulling up. Just do it. The spot where your glass will be broke, on here you specially give some extra time because it will so important. So just I am just do as you can guys see, just gently and slowly, don't be hurry up guys. And as you can guys see on the top side, it will be already pull it up, and yeah, it already comes up, just need some pressure. Yep, and boom guys, I success. The glass protector will be pops up from my phone, and as you can guys see, only one crack will be happen for my uncareless whatever. So guys, that's it for in this video tutorial. I hope you'll be enjoy it. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and also like my Facebook fan page, follow me on Twitter, add me on Google+. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.